Hey guys, want to get on here and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. These beads were made by my grandmother. I think about the time that she took to make these beads. The time that she took to make this necklace. She didn't make the beads, she had the beads. Do you ever wear things that people give you? Do you ever, when you put them on, you think about that person? I have several YouTube friends that have sent me things that they have made, or they've gotten, or they've gifted to me that I wear that I love. And I think about them every time I wear them. I say a little prayer for them, and I just think about them. Yesterday, as I was going through some things in my desk, I thought about my aunt. I found a dish that she made. It was a dish that she put a cardinal on it. And I'll always think about her. She loved birds. When I see a bird outside, I think of her. It can be a cardinal. It could be a bluebird. It could be a robin. I think of her. I think about my grandmother. I think about my mom when I see a butterfly. A falling leaf, my mother-in-law. And as I just said that, I saw a falling leaf. There's angels all around us. They just come in different forms. Where is your angel? I hope you guys have a great day and a happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile because you might get one back. But every little thing that I say or anything that comes from me is from my heart. And I'm sending you a hug and telling you I love you. And I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Until tomorrow, I'm sending you a hug. Do you feel it? I sure hope so.